Stop. Don't open a Fifth Third account until you watch this. You could be paying surprise fees and losing perks. Quick cuts, hidden minimums, monthly maintenance, and overdraft traps. This brief breakdown will save you money and time. Reason 1. Fees. Monthly service fees can hit $12 to $20 unless you meet strict requirements. Reason 2. Hidden terms. Rate changes and hold policies can lock up your cash for days. Let's unpack overdrafts. A single charge can be $35, and multiple overdrafts compound fast. Watch for account hold windows. Deposited checks or transfers can be unavailable for 3 to 5 business days. Compare alternatives. Online banks often offer no monthly fee, higher interest, and simpler terms. Tip: read the fine print. Search monthly fee waiver and overdraft policy before you sign. If you want a safer option, consider credit unions, high-yield online banks, or cash management accounts. Don't sign yet. Compare accounts now to find the lowest fees and best protections.